Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine Zobo. First, gather your key ingredients: dried hibiscus leaves, fresh pineapple, ginger, and sugar. You'll also need plenty of clean water and a suitable fermentation vessel. Remember, proper sanitation of all your equipment is crucial for a successful brew. This simple method ensures a delicious, homemade beverage. Next, let's prepare the Zobo base. Thoroughly wash your dried hibiscus leaves, then slice the fresh pineapple and ginger into manageable pieces. Combine these in a large pot with about 2 liters of water. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for approximately 15 minutes. Afterward, strain the liquid carefully into a clean pot, discarding the solids. Now for the fermentation. To your warm, strained Zobo liquid, add about 200 grams of sugar. Stir continuously until the sugar is completely dissolved. Once dissolved, carefully pour this sweetened liquid into your sanitized fermentation jar. Seal the jar tightly, ensuring it's airtight, and allow it to ferment in a cool, dark place for 3 to 5 days. You'll notice bubbling as it ferments. Finally, it's time to finish and enjoy your homemade Zobo wine. After fermentation, carefully strain the wine again to remove any remaining sediment, ensuring a clear beverage. Pour the finished wine into clean, airtight bottles. Store it in the refrigerator and chill thoroughly before serving. This refreshing drink is perfect for sharing with friends and family. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.